Again, hello everybody. Don't switch channels. This is King Country towing channel. I'm doing a video on behalf of Ben because obviously he's in sunny New Zealand and we're in Wales. This is the Mustang that he posted up quite a few months ago that he had been searching for many years. Once belonged to a mate of his that sold it, but it means a lot to Ben, so he managed to track it down and bought it. I'm going to be doing the restoration on it so it can be shipped out to New Zealand. So yeah, this is just where it's stored at the moment, so I'll show you around it now and yeah, see what you think. All right, that's it. Right, so here it is in all its glory. It's not very good in here, so let's see if I can get the light on it. Right, that's a little bit better. It's no electric in here, so we can't show it very good, but it gives you the gist of it. Ben called me over quite a few months ago to have a look at this, just to see what I thought about helping him out with it. He did paint quite a bleak picture of it, to be honest. I was expecting it to be a lot worse than what it actually is. It was obviously a show-winning car for a long time when it was in Dave's ownership. Now we've got lots of holes in it. I've done loads of restoration on these old things, and to be honest with you, it looks really good to me. This is just a case, in my opinion, that it's not like a really rotten car. It's just that the newness have worn off it, really. But yeah, I'm looking forward to making a start on it and saving it. Not, I think it can be classed as a total loss because it's really good shape for an old, what's it now, like nearly 50-year-old car. Over 50-year-old, isn't it?
And not to mention, it's the former smooth talker.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it was known as smooth talker.
We had to get that.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's more rough talker than smooth now, isn't it? Yeah. At the moment, yeah. But yeah, it's yeah, an amazing car. It holds a lot of memories for me as well, because over the years, you must have done thousands and thousands of miles, wasn't it, going around the country to different car shows. And the thing is, this one used to, at every car show, it used to win something. And in fact, Dave's son, Ian, at one time, when we out different places, and he'd always say, "How many are we going to win this week, Dad?" In there, because it was just a given, really, wasn't it?
Yeah. You'd never believe it looking at it now.
No, it's a sad old state, to be honest. But yeah, when Ben showed me round it, like all those months ago, people to get a bit daunted with this type of thing, but genuinely I don't see nothing wrong with this. I've done such bad ones over the years that this is completely savable. I will obviously keep everybody updated with it. If Ben's happy with what I'm doing regarding videoing it, that I'm more than happy to spend a bit of time recording it, and I'll obviously take lots of pictures. Yeah, very interesting. Now, it won't be as professional as the likes of Vice Grip Garage and things like that, because I've never done this type of thing before. I'll just do my best with it. It'll probably be short videos, like videoing a little bit before I start and then after, with lots of pictures supplied, which I assume that you could put pictures of the processes as it went on, things like that. We've got, I think he's bought, because this have actually got a jag axle on him as well. Which is, oh God, that was all chromed on there, Dave.
Yeah.
Oh, bloody hell.
4.2 jag.
Yeah, 4.2 jag. Rear axle on it. Yeah, it's such a shame. Yeah, a limited slip as well, yeah. Remember, it was smoking the tyres really well, wasn't it? When they didn't have to give it much effort either, did they? But yeah, we'll get back to that soon. The engine doesn't run. We think it might be like dry seized or something, but again, we've done loads of saving these motors, so it can be saved, no problem at all. And yeah, and we look forward to getting it all going again. I think the interior, when this is going to be, we're going to actually collect it tomorrow. I've got a mate coming over with the transport, and then we'll get it over to my workshop. So then I'll take another quick video in better light to show everybody what it's like. Oh, it's a nasty one. The newness are definitely worn off by there. Yeah, definitely worn off by there. Yeah, so I think I've covered about as much as I can with it here now. So I'll send this video off to Ben now. Hopefully it's suitable and it turns out clear enough for everybody to see, and then I'll take another short video up tomorrow when it's over in my place. Like I said, the updates, I won't be doing any work on it for a few weeks. I've got a Camaro over there that I'm doing some very minor stuff on that, so I'll get that finished, and then I'll start dismantling this and really having a look at and seeing what we've got. So yeah, or as all YouTubers say, on Ben's behalf, like and subscribe, as it everybody says. So yeah, you do that and you can follow this along and see how it turns out. All right, cheers then, ta-ra. Here it is, all loaded, ready to go for his restoration. It's nice to see it out in the sunshine, actually. Well, not sunshine, but out in the daylight. So next stop is Abertillery. I'll post, I'll take another video when it gets over there, and I'm going to give it a wash off before I put it in the garage, just for perhaps the feel good factor, innit? Alright, I'll update more very soon. So here it is, I've got the Mustang back at my workshop now. It's not going to be left on its own anymore now, it's got a bit of company. I'll just show you its company now very briefly. I was going to give it a wash actually for the feel-good factor of getting the dust off it, but it's bone dry at the moment, and there's lots of holes in the bodywork, and I just thought it'd be better to keep it dry, even though it needs obviously a fair bit of welding doing. It'd be a shame to just saturate all the interior in it. I can do a better look at how it looks now actually. Yeah, door panels are all good. Seats, yeah, it's in pretty good shape, to be honest with you. Dash is really good. As many of you might know, these do crack quite badly. But yeah, really impressed actually. I don't think this is going to be too bad a project. Oh, I just heard something fall off it then as I shut the door. That's not a particularly good sign, but yeah, pretty pleased with that. Really looking forward to doing this. I was just talking to Dave now as we was loading on transporter, and we were just saying so pleased that Ben's dedication at finding this, because if it wasn't for Ben, I would have bought it, if I'm honest, and done it, because obviously I've got history with it as well. But yeah, Ben did a lot of investigating to be able to find this, and yeah, we are just so pleased that it's going to be saved now, and and spending the rest of its life in sunny New Zealand. So yeah, that's just brilliant, that is. And yeah, so this is you now with plenty of other company, a couple of other well-known cars just over by there for it to spend its time with. And yeah, so I'm just going to get it in the garage now, just make a bit of space for him, and yeah, and shove him in. So yeah, I'll keep everybody updated as I go on, and yeah, I hope you enjoy what you see, and yeah, like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll be in touch very soon. Ta-ra then. So here it is. Mustang's in the garage now. This is where it's going to sit for the, I don't know, perhaps the next sort of few months while I get on with it. Instead of being parked outside abandoned now and in a garage all on its own, it's now, like I said, it's now got some company. It's parked next to one of mine, Frankencard. There's a video of that Ben did a little while ago if you wanted to check that out. But yeah, so here it is. Yeah, but I've got some other stuff to do first. I've got some work to do on a Camaro. You can just see in the background by there. I'm going to hit that now. Probably take me a fortnight to sort that one out. And then I'll get on with the Mustang. I have got another vehicle to do alongside that. But yeah, I'm hoping to make some good steady progress on it, and yeah, and just get it going again. Like I've said in a couple of the other videos now, I'm really looking forward to making a start on this one. Really deserves to be saved, and yeah, just onwards and upwards with it now and there. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Unfortunately, like I said, it will be a good fortnight now before I do get the opportunity to start it. But yeah, just be with it, be with us, and you know, and appreciate your patience with it. And yeah, I'll try and make it as interesting as possible for everybody. Okay, so yeah, catch up with you soon.